Hello and welcome to BCR. Let's get your trading day started with the following financial news and market headlines.
The US dollar index is currently trading at 103.60, rising by 0.2% after the Federal Reserve decided to keep interest rates steady as expected. During the press conference, Powell opened the door to rate cuts, which was considered dovish by the market, initially weakening the dollar. Earlier this week, the US dollar index continued its low volatility trend, closing nearly flat in the first two trading days, with a daily range not exceeding 50 points, currently trading around 103.50. Since the beginning of the year, multiple U.S. economic data have exceeded market expectations, further strengthening the possibility of a soft landing for the U.S. economy. After the Federal Reserve decided to keep interest rates unchanged and countered speculation of rate cuts, gold prices trimmed earlier gains and fell back. Additionally, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's opposition to a rate cut in March drove gold prices to the day's low. As market participants digested comments from Fed Chairman Jerome Powell, gold prices fluctuated within the $20.30 to $20.40 region. Gold prices fell in the Asian session on Wednesday, further retreating from the two-week high near the previous day's level of $2,000 to $48.50. With strong U.S. economic data, investors continue to lower expectations for the speed and scale of the Fed's rate cuts. Despite escalating tensions in the Middle East, WTI crude oil prices have retraced recent gains. On Wednesday, WTI prices slightly fell to around $75.50 per barrel. U.S. President Joe Biden stated that the U.S. would respond appropriately to the specific situation after an attack on a U.S. outpost in Jordan, possibly adopting a layered approach, meaning a strategy involving actions at different levels or stages. On a positive note, Hezbollah brigades, an Iraqi armed group allied with Iran and suspected of involvement in the deadly drone attack on U.S. forces near the Jordan-Syria border, has announced a suspension of all military actions against U.S. forces in the region.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news and insights.